Hello, hello. Welcome back to Midnight Kitchen. Today we're going to be making one of my childhood favorites and something we have at least once a week, fan ke cao dan, tomato and egg stir fry. Let's get started, shall we? The beauty of this recipe is the simplicity. All you need are some tomato, eggs, and today I'll be using the Cantonese-style scrambled egg recipe along with my classic egg and tomato. But I will show you what happens if you don't have cornstarch or evaporated milk at home. Look at the cross section. Isn't it beautiful? Make sure your pan is super hot before you begin. Here we're going to be combining the three key elements. A starch component, here I'm using cornstarch or a potato starch, water to loosen it up, evaporated milk, and also a neutral oil such as a vegetable or corn oil. Add your egg mixture to your hot pan. You see a thin sheet of egg that forms once it cooks. Push that off to the side. Allow the runny egg to reach the pan surface. What happens if you don't have potato starch, cornstarch, or evaporated milk at home? That's okay. Try making this recipe using a classic fried egg. The crispy fried egg will act as a sponge and absorb all the tomato juice and ketchup tomato sauce that you'll be making. The silken egg will be even softer once it absorbs the tomato sauce. You're going to create a smoother egg dish as opposed to something more hearty with an explosion of tomato. It's all dependent on your preference. This is the answer to inflation costs and good nutritious meal. With several tomatoes and eggs, you generate a large tomato and egg dish that is saucy and is perfect to go over rice. It is slurpable and addictive. Growing up, this tomato and egg dish was what helped stretch our meals. Continue to saute until the tomato has released some of its juices and it has created a nice, well blended sauce with your egg. Once you add the ketchup, it looks unappetizing. However, once you allow the tomatoes to cook, the juice and the ketchup will blend together into a nice sauce. The eggs will begin to absorb the sauce and it will be one coherent dish. Some people prefer a more saucy tomato and egg dish. Some people prefer dry. Saute until you feel the dish is to your liking. Remember to taste, season, and adjust accordingly. When working with tomatoes, it is very variable. What I mean by that is it's dependent on your tomato choice. How ripe was it? Meaning how much juice is in that tomato. What is your preference? Do you like more tart food or do you prefer more sweet food? Taste according to what you like. Traditionally, we serve egg and tomato with a bowl of rice. Imagine slurping up that more tart, sweet and sour sauce with bites of egg. It is one delicious and hearty meal. That's all, folks. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed that one, please like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.